Alright, this is kind of a fun one. We are doing some riddles here, and these are leg riddles. And as we know, birds have 2 legs, dogs have 4 legs, and ladybugs have 6 legs. So we're looking here basically at multiplication. So for birds, we're thinking times 2, dogs would be times 4, and ladybugs times 6. So there are 48 legs, they all belong to dogs. How many dogs are there? So what times 4 equals 48? Or you can also think 48 divided by 4 equals what? You should know 4 times 10 is 40, so you're pretty close to 48 at that point, but I'm going to let you figure that one out. Next one, we've got 3 ladybugs, 7 dogs, and 13 birds. So we've got to think about the legs for each of those. If there's 3 ladybugs, that means 6 legs for each one, right? 7 dogs would be 4 legs. 13 birds is 2 legs each. So, right, that's going to be 18 legs on the ladybugs, and then how many on the dogs, how many on the birds. Then you need to add those all up together for your final answer to see how many legs there are altogether. Now, the last bit is the one I think is fun because there's so many different possible answers to this. So there's 36 legs in the house. All legs belong to birds, dogs, and ladybugs. How many of each creature might be in the house? So you can go about this in different ways. I like to make tables, so I'm going to draw a table here, a little bit like this. And the total always needs to be 36 no matter what. So the total legs will be 36. And let's remember, so birds are times 2 legs, dogs have 4 legs, and ladybugs have 6 legs. So we need a total of 36 legs. Let's say we have only 1 bird and only 1 dog. So that means there's 2 legs there, there's 4 legs there. So now we have 6 legs total. We need 36. So we have to have 30 ladybug legs. How many ladybugs would be 30? That would be what times 6 equals 30? That's going to be 5. So we can have 1 bird, 1 dog, and 5 ladybugs. We give us 36. Let's try one, 0 ladybugs. So this time no ladybugs at all. And let's say we don't want any birds either. So how many dogs would give us 36 legs? What times 4 equals 36? And that would be 9. So 0 birds, 9 dogs, 0 ladybugs would work. You can just try random numbers. So there's 1 ladybug that would give us 6. So let me just try a random number. How about 3 dogs? 3 times 4 is 12. So now I've got 18, and I need to get to 36. So I need 18 more. What times 2 equals 18? That would be 9. So 9, that's 18, 3, and 1. And there are many, many, many more. And if you don't like tables, maybe you could just make a picture. And just, you can just do it randomly. So I'm going to call those 4 birds. So they each have 2 legs. So that's, I've got 8 legs here. And then what I want to make these guys dogs. And, oh, that's better. Yeah, maybe just 3 dogs, so that's going to give me 12. So now I have 20, and I need to get to 36. So I need 16 more. ladybugs. Well, if I do 2 ladybugs, that's going to give me 12 more. So now let's see, I've got 12 and 12 and 8. That's going to give me 32, and I'm still short by 4, so let's just do 1 more dog. And I think that's going to give me 36 legs total. So what do I have here? I've got 4 birds, 4 dogs, 2 ladybugs. And that gave me 36. I wonder who will come up with the most, because there's definitely more than 4. So if you can do more than 4, that would be great. Let's see how many we can get together as a class. We'll make a chart tomorrow and see how well we did. So that's all for the homework help. Thank you, and goodbye.